Welcome to Nested Classes. Organize complex logic elegantly. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Creating separate files for closely related classes creates unnecessary complexity and distance. How do we group related classes together? Separate files increase complexity. Lose logical grouping of classes. Cannot access private members directly. Nested classes allow grouping related classes within one file for better organization. How is nested classes used in the real world? Event listeners. Handle UI actions privately. Data structures. Implement nodes internally. Builder pattern. Create complex objects stepwise. Nested classes powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So, what happens without nested classes? Separate classes for closely related functionality. Look at how messy the code gets. Scattered related logic. Pollutes global namespace. Loose coupling issues. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution: nested classes. Look how clean the code is now. Encapsulate related classes. Access private members. Cleaner code organization. Compare the difference. And that is why we use nested classes. Let's see how to implement nested classes in code. Here is the implementation. Outer class. Define containing class. Outer field. Private member of outer. Inner class. Class inside another. Inner method. Method in inner class. Access outer. Inner accesses outer's field. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is a nested class in Java? Which one is correct? The correct answer is: a nested class is defined within another class. Which nested class can access outer private members? Which one is correct? The correct answer is: inner classes have access to outer class private members. What is printed? Which one is correct? The correct answer is: inner class can access outer class instance variable x. How to instantiate a static nested class? Which one is correct? The correct answer is: static nested class is accessed via outer class name. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.